Hello friends, this is Jafar Abbas and you are welcome to my new video. And in today's video I am going to complete the rest of the modeling of shoe, and the video is going to be very interesting and very knowledgeable. So stay connected and don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. So let's start. Now viewers, what I am going to do is to apply the shell modifier here. Just turn off the turbo smooth for now. I am applying the shell modifier on the shoe. I am reducing this outer amount to 0 and I am increasing the inner amount. The shell modifier gives the thickness to the object. Let's see. I am dragging the turbo smooth on the top. I think I need to increase the thickness to make it appear more realistic. The thickness needs to be increased, so I am increasing the thickness more. It's started looking better. I think 12 might work well. Here you can see that there is a gap created here and I need to fix the issue. Here I need to fix this problem. Now I am going to select the vertices of this place. After selecting the vertices, just drag on x-axis. Now I am going to create the rings on these holes, and for the time being I am deleting the turbo smooth and I am going to collapse the shell modifier and edit poly. I am using the collapse all option here. Now I am again going to convert it as editable poly. Now I am selecting the edge and going to create the rings on top of the holes. I am selecting the entire surrounding of this place through edge selection. After selection, I will go to the option create shape from the selection, and this new palette will open, and make sure you select its shape type as smooth and then press OK. Now you can see the shape is created over the hole. Now I am going to select this shape and I am going to make it renderable in the renderer and in viewport, and I am increasing the thickness to 4. Now I am going to repeat the same action for other holes. I am repeating the same action, creating shapes on the holes. So now I'm doing for the other side. I'm selecting the entire surrounding and create the shape. Now I'm going to attach all the rings. First I'm going to attach all the rings on the right side and then all the rings of the left side. I'm using the attach option, and first you select the attach option, then click on the rings one by one. Now do the same thing for the other side. Select the attach option and then select the rings. That's it. Now what I'm going to do is to apply the material on it. I'm applying the material on the rings. The material taken is built-in material in Max 2018. Now let's check the end result. Looking nice. Now viewers, what I'm going to do is to create some kind of design on the back side of the shoe, and for that I'm taking the cut option. I'm selecting the cut option. I'm inserting a line here. Now I'm going to insert the line on the other side. Now I'm going to select the edges from the edge selection. I'm selecting the edge from this point. Just start picking the edges and move forward. Select the entire loop. After selection is completed, what I'm going to do is to apply the extrude here. So I'm applying the extrude here and set the values. I think it's looking nice here. Press OK. Now I'm going to refine some of the vertices. I'm going to weld some of the vertices here. Just to simplify the mesh, I am eliminating some of the unwanted vertices here. So that's it. Now check. Let's apply the turbo smooth. Looking nice, but some further adjustments are required. I'm going to select the line which is inside, and I'm going to select the entire line. Deselect from here. Now I'm going to apply the chamfer here. I am applying very little mild chamfer. Press OK. Now again check. Little more depth has increased. and looking nice. Now what I'm going to do is to select the edge from here, and I'm going to select the edges from the top. I want to make some kind of design on the top, so select the edges from here. Make sure the entire loop is selected. Now check, go to the wireframe and check that none of the edge is left here. I've selected this entire loop. Now I'm going to apply the extrude here. The values are already set. Press OK. Now just refine some of the vertices here. Select the target weld and connect the vertices. This process might take some time, so I'm going to fast forward the video right now. Stay connected. It's completed. All the vertices are refined now. Now let's end isolate. Looking nice from the top. Now let's check the result in render. It's looking nice. Now what I'm going to do is to select the loop which is inside. Just double click on it and it will select the entire loop. And I'm going to apply the chamfer here. I'm applying the chamfer. Press OK. It will increase little more depth. Now what I'm going to do is to make some design on the back side, and for that I am selecting the vertices of both the sides. I am first selecting the vertices of this right side and then the left side. I am selecting one vertex of both the sides, and I am going to apply scale here on x-axis. Now select the second vertex and scale it. I want to enhance the shape from here. Now select the vertices of the back side and push them on y-axis. Now make some refinement here. I'm making some further adjustments. Now check. It's looking nice, but there are few more adjustments that are required. Now what I'm going to do is to select one edge from here and press Alt R to select the entire ring. Now I'm going to insert one loop here. First of all, deselect the extra selected edges and then insert one connect here. Drag it upward, apply the scale to push it to the right. Okay, I think it's looking fine now. Now viewers, I want to enhance the shape from the front, and for that I'm going to select an option. First of all, I'm going to this freeform option and then going to this paint option and selecting this shift option from here. Now I'm going to select, now I'm going to drag from the front. Just click on the front part of the shoe and drag it upward. Do it with gentle hands, try not to distort the shape. It's looking nice, but it requires some adjustments. So I'm again selecting the shift option and make some refinement here. Now let's check. It's looking nice. Let's check in render. It is looking nice now. Now yes, what I'm going to do here is to give a lift to the top of the back side, and for that what I'm going to do is to insert few edges on top. I'm selecting one edge from the top and pressing Alt R to select an entire ring. Now I'm going to deselect some of the unwanted selected edges. I'm deselecting the some of the edges. Also deselect from here as well. Now I'm going to insert a few connects here. I'm going to disconnect option and inserting two lines and inserting two loops. Now I'm dragging it on the upward direction. Let's check. It's looking nice. Now viewers, I am going to create the shoelace here, and to create the shoelace you will have to set the points as I am setting. Here I have selected the line option and now setting the points. Now I'm going to lift it up and slightly rotate. I need to fix the position of the vertex. Select the vertex and just push it inside. Now here I'm going to add one vertex in the middle. You can add the vertices using the refine option. Just right click and select refine to add the vertices. Now drag it upward. I'm converting some of the vertex here as smooth. Place the vertex in a manner that you avoid collision with the body of the shoe. Now select this vertex and convert it to Bezier corner. And I'm going to select the handles and drag them. Dear viewers, the process of creating the shoelace might take some time. So for that, I'm going to fast forward the video right now. You all are requested to stay connected and watch the video till end. Now that you can see, I have created the shoelace here. Now I'm going to make it renderable. I'm increasing the thickness here. I'm increasing the thickness here to 1.5. Now I'm going to apply the material on it. I want to give a dark gray color to the lace. Here on this diffuse, I'm going to select the color. Press OK. Apply the material on the lace. Now let's check. I want to make it even more darker toned. Now I am again going to this material window and making the color more darker toned. Now I am going to convert the lace as editable poly. Now I am isolating it using the Alt plus Q button, Alt Q. Now I'm selecting the polygon. I'm going to apply some inset on it. Set the value. Here I am creating the lower part of the lace. Now press OK and extrude. Now what I'm going to do is to again apply some inset on it. Select the desired value. After selecting the desired value, press on this plus sign to apply again the same amount of inset and then collapse. Now I'm going to select this edge option here. Now I'm selecting the edges. I'm selecting one and escaping one. And now press the Alt backspace to remove the selected edges. Now repeat the whole process to the other side as well. Now I'm going to select the edges from here and I'm going to apply the chamfer on it. Now I'm repeating the same process for the other end. Now end isolate and let's apply the turbo smooth on the lace. Increase the iteration to 2. Now let's check in render the end result. It's looking nice. Now viewers, the modeling of the shoe has been completed, and now I'm going to take a copy of it and to take a copy I'm using this mirror option. I'm taking the mirror axis on Y and taking a copy of it. Now check. So viewers, this is the final result. It is looking amazing. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon in order to get the notifications for the future videos. And also let me know in the comments box so that I come up with more improved videos next time.